Okay, as we all know, the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max are here, but this will be the only year, I think, for a long time that I'm not going to upgrade to the XS. I'm going to keep my iPhone X because I don't honestly consider it to be enough of an upgrade. So, for my iPhone X, I have bought a new case, and I've gone for the Spigen. I've had Spigen cases before for iPhones, and I've gone for the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. This is air cushion technology, and it's military grade, drop tested, no less. So let's have a look. Okay, so we shall open the box, pull the tab, and there we go. There's the case. I went for a transparent case for the phone, so you can obviously see the back of it. It should look good in there. Right, now, from previous experience of Spigen cases, there is some annoying plastic covers we've got to pick off from the outside and the inside, so we'll have a go at that, see how long that takes. Okay, that was mega irritating, but we finally got the plastic off, so we'll put the phone in. So we'll go in with the buttons first, then pop the other side in, and then come down to the bottom, and this is a snug fit, this. Right, in. There we go. So it covers our volume rocker buttons. We've got a cutout for our whatever that switch is called, I can't remember. Nothing around the top, obviously. Button for our power switch. Then down the bottom, lightning port, speakers, and that's that. The case covers the camera, so if it's sat down on its back, it obviously covers the camera, and this will be difficult for you to see, but you can just about see a gap through there because the case protrudes more than the screen, so that will protect the screen if you drop it on its face, and it shouldn't be damaged anyway because this has been tested to drop tested to military grade. Well, whatever the military do to drop phone cases, it's been tested to that standard. So there we go. All good. Okay, so for anyone interested, I bought this from mobilefun.co.uk, and I paid $14.99 for it. Another thing just worth pointing out is I use one of these with my phone, the Mophie wireless charging base, and it goes on there with the case on the phone and charges no problem, so all good there. Okay, so I've only had this on a day, and already sorry, there are some little, I don't know if the camera will focus on them or you can see them, there are some little scratches and scuff marks on the back already, and these little specks, I don't know if you can see them or not, they are specks of dust or something that have got in between the back of the phone and the case. So like I said at the beginning, I bought this so that, you know, you could see the back of the phone and it'd look good, but if it scratches up and we get all little particles of whatever they are in there, it's not going to look good. If you just had the black Apple case on, then you wouldn't get that, but I suppose that's the trade-off of having a transparent or clear case on your phone. But anyway, yeah, so far so good, but I'll have to keep an eye on that. But yeah, all good. Okay, so here we go, the drop test. No, I ain't throwing £1,000 phone about.